Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Lenovo ThinkPlus Earbuds not charging. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your Lenovo ThinkBud earbuds are not charging, the issue could be due to hardware, charging case problems, or even software glitches. So what we need to first do is check the basics. So ensure the charging case has power. From here, plug the charging case into a power source using the original or a good quality compatible cable and use a different cable adapter. Sometimes the charging cable or power adapter may be faulty. Inspect the charging contact. So clean the earbuds and case. So use a dry cotton swab or a soft bristle toothbrush to gently clean the metal charging contacts on both the earbuds and inside the case. Avoid using water or alcohol. Check for debris, dust, or pockets lid in the case can prevent a good connection. We can go ahead and reset the earbuds. So sometimes a reset fixes charging or connectivity issues. So to reset the Lenovo ThinkPlus earbuds, this is the most common method depending on what model. Put the earbuds in the case and leave the lid open. Hold the touch sensors or multi-function button on both earbuds for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the LEDs flash or turn off. Then you want to release and close the lid. Open the lid again and try charging. These reset instructions may vary slightly by model. If this doesn't work, just go ahead and check your specific model's manual. There could be a battery deep discharge issue as well. So if the earbuds were left uncharged too long, the internal battery may have gone into deep discharge. To fix this, leave the earbuds in the charging case connected to a charger for at least 30 to 60 minutes, even if there's no sign of charging. Some batteries need a little time before they respond after being fully depleted. We can also check the charging indicators. So if there's no lights at all, could indicate a dead battery case, faulty charging circuit, or a bad case. Case light or earbuds not charging, likely an issue with the contacts or the earbuds themselves. There could be firmware software issues, so if the earbuds aren't recognized by a companion app, if available, check for firmware updates that may address charging or power issues. We could also try a different charging case if available, so if a friend or another pair is available, testing earbuds in a different ThinkPlus charging case can confirm the problem lies with the earbuds or the case.